With Easter hopping around the corner, it's time to dive into some exciting Easter crafts that'll have your little ones jumping for joy. So grab your glue, glitter, and let's get cracking. The first up, we've got the classic Easter egg decorating extravaganza. Who doesn't love a good old egg decorating party? Step 1, gather up your eggs hard-boiled. Of course. Then unleash your inner Picasso and let your imagination run wild. You can use markers, paint, stickers, or even dye for a splash of colour. The sky's the limit. Voila! Look at these exceptional masterpieces. I'd say they're extraordinary. Next on our list, we have the bunny ear headbands, because who doesn't want to hop around like a bunny during Easter? Alrighty, step 1. Grab some colourful construction paper and cut out 2 bunny ear shapes. Don't forget the pink inner ear. Then attach them to a headband using glue or tape. Last but not least, we have the chick finger puppets. Get ready to put on your own Easter puppet show. For this one, grab some yellow felt and cut out a simple chick shape. Add some googly eyes, an orange felt beak, and tiny feet. Then attach it to your finger with a little glue. Well, folks, there you have it. 3 exciting Easter crafts that'll keep the kiddos entertained for hours. Don't forget to share your creations with us, and remember, the messier, the better. Until next time, happy crafting and happy Easter.